There may be cases when you want to replace an existing media file, or overwrite the content of an existing media file while maintaining the original URL. This is helpful if the media link has already been distributed or has garnered a considerable number of views and other statistics that you'd like to retain. VIDIZMO allows users to maintain statistics and the original link of a media that has already been distributed after overwriting the content of an existing media file. In this video, we will be looking at re-uploading media files in VIDIZMO. You can replace a published media file without changing its original name or the link, through the re-upload function. From the navigation menu on the portal's homepage, select Media Manager in the Admin tab. Select the media file you want to replace and select Re-upload from the drop-down menu. The re-upload option will only be available for the specific user who has originally uploaded the media file. However, media uploaded by contributors and viewers cannot be re-uploaded. Click on Upload Media and select the media file you want to re-upload from your device. The settings selected for the original media file will be retained in the new media file. You can also re-edit the settings as per your feasibility. Additionally, if you change the name of the media you are re-uploading, its link will also be updated but the mashup ID will remain the same. However, users can still access the media file with the original URL that was distributed previously. Once you're done, click Save and Close to re-upload media on your portal. The video that has been replaced will be deleted permanently. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.